remove the Instagram thread. Hey guys, alright? Leonardo Paiva is back with another video. In this video, I show you how to remove the thread from your Instagram profile so that the profile and the direct link to your thread don't appear here. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel as I make various tutorials to make things easier for you. So guys, there are already several other Instagram videos on the channel if you're interested in threads in the future. If you have any questions or curiosities, I'll leave you with a playlist on the card that you might enjoy. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove your thread profile from your Instagram. Guys, to remove the thread from Instagram, you need to log into Threads to deactivate your profile. You can then deactivate your Threads profile easily. And if you want to go back to Threads again, you can reactivate it at any time. Please note that your Instagram account won't be affected in any way. Alright, let's do this. Here's my Threads. Anyone can go to my Instagram and click here to see my Threads profile. What am I going to do? I'm going to go into Threads and I'm going to temporarily deactivate my profile. I'll click here below to reach my profile. Then I'll click up here on these two lines next to the Instagram icon. Next, you will look for the account option. Under account, you will click on deactivate profile. It states that the profile deactivation is only temporary. So everything that you have done on Threads, replies, likes will be hidden. If you want to reactivate your account, just log in again on Threads. To deactivate, just click here below on deactivate Threads profile. Remember, this won't affect your Instagram account. I'll confirm. And there you go. If I come back to Instagram again and refresh, Threads icon, my Threads profile won't appear anymore. If you want to bring back Threads, just log in again. Any questions? Just put them down in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm going to sign off here. Big hug. God bless. Thanks everyone.